Nalungu siyabulela kwaJonas. Ndingumuntu ohlala kwaLanga eTinarha. Nalibali qala kwamdibana naye. We met through a network. I was working for an NGO who Activate Change Drivers. And during that time, it was COVID, and they needed someone to distribute, supplements Nalibali, and through that, I helped a number of schools delivering. With Nalibali, our focus in our organization, but somehow we changed our theory of change, saying as much as we want to deal with youth, but sometimes we are doing corrections. So we said, let's change our theory of change. Let's look at the young ones, the primary stage. So that is when we spoke then with Unalibali, then that is where I then said, no, I think this is the right time, to invest most of our time in building the partnership so that we are able then to be better resourced and have a better understanding of how to deal with kids and how to make sure we provide the best, in training, in education, and also supporting abantwana. Of course, yes, I'm part of Men's in Mbizwe. I've been here for a while. I've attended a few, and it has somewhat changed, the way I've been looking at things. I've always been there saying, but you didn't know that that is the simplest thing that you can do, encouraging and motivating kids to look at their books, but mostly reading, because that is the biggest challenge that we have today. Yes, since we've met Nalibali, as I've said, I was a distributor before, supplements. So we do have supplements even now, some reading books that Nalibali has blessed us with, and every now and then, with the supplements, you'll remember that supplements are stories, and most of them, they are not written stories. It's graphics, and kumnand, when you use the graphics pause, first question, ubonandoni, and they will tell you in boningonyam, and that is the next page, but the child already on page 1 is able to tell you that so that is how simple we use the stories. But also kubake supplement, you get to cut the supplement itself into a number of pieces, making a book until it gets to la format will buy but that is how we use it for now. I think in the one is to be there. Show up. I think that is the biggest challenge that we're having currently. But now being with Tata Okoyo and Lini, being with Tata motivational, being Tata that cares and also makes sure that Mtanakuya understand that Lendo Yokfunda Ibaleki, share with them, your dreams about them, so that they are able also to translate and saying, but also touch a book. Even if you can't read, have someone earlier, if we're having a reading culture, story about get someone who can read, let them read to you when I tell that story. Have that book, they think you are reading it, but you are telling it more than reading it, even if you can't read. But try that thing. Unalibali good, we've been seeing Unalibali at this TV. We've Sasa Puma, this year school and there would be Unalibali there. Ngoku live, it's happening, it's ukunyanati, programs Nalibali as a partner, Zenzwa cities with the support of Nalibali. So would say keep it up, but make sure you invest more resources. There's a lot of kids out there. There's a lot of organizations who want to partner with you, but unfortunately, because of limited resource and even human resource, you can't reach out. So if you could do better, you could touch some of those lives and organizations. I think a lot can happen.